there, my fellow Ohio Power Toolians. I'm Nick, joined by Harley, and we actually got our hands on the new Milwaukee Carry On.
Yeah, this thing is so awesome. I mean, we figured there'd be plenty of different demos and runtime videos out there, so I wanted to try something a little different, and I called up the band, and we rocked out in the parking lot.
And it was all powered by this Carry On.
Absolutely.
It really surprised the hell out of us. I mean, this opens up so many possibilities.
I know. I mean, we wanted to pick one up for the band specifically. We played a solid hour, had full bars, didn't even budge. Hell, I could run an entire set just in a cornfield.
Right. Well, unfortunately, we don't have a release date, and we can't even accept pre-orders at this time.
But we have a price, right?
No.
Alrighty, well, hopefully we can get some more information on this soon.
Yeah, a bunch of information is listed on Milwaukee's website for now, but with there being no price yet, specs are definitely subject to change.
Well, seeing that we can't say too much about it yet, I'd say we just cut to the music then.
Yeah, you bet. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the show.